Hello, world. It's October 7th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cyber Material. Cyber alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. Gootloader malware returns after 7 months with new infection techniques. CISA warns of critical CentOS web panel vulnerability exploited in active attacks. Vibe-coded malicious VS Code extension found with built-in ransomware features. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. U.S. Congressional Budget Office targeted in suspected foreign cyber attack. Clop ransomware group claims responsibility for breach at the Washington Post. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. French police seize 16 million euros in crackdown on crypto scam network. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.